This is the HVAC condensing unit. And this is the data plate on it. This tells us that it's an 8-year-old system. This equipment is engineered on paper to last 20 years. Las Vegas is going to give you 14, but it's still about 8 years old. About 8 years old. Okay. We learned here that it's also a 4-ton unit. We also learned here that it's rated for a 40 amp fuse. The problem here is that we've got a 50 amp fuse in there. Okay. And so the problem with that is that this system could overheat and the fuse will not trip in a timely manner to protect the equipment. So this system has been overfused. The electric service disconnect should not be behind the unit. I get it, it's, you know, it's really kind of a judgment call. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. Alright, this is the electric service disconnect. This box should be sealed on 3 sides. This refrigerant piping insulation is the wrong type. Okay, it should be a thicker, more robust, durable insulation. This insulation is not suited for an exterior use. According to the 2015 International Residential Code, energy. When was this installed? When was it built? 2015. Oh, when this was installed, we're supposed to have different refrigerant piping, and our Schrader valves, look that up in the dictionary. Our refrigerant piping service valve access port caps should have been anti-theft. Should have been anti-theft. Our coils are dirty. And our refrigerant is 410A. Okay. 410A is currently in the process of being phased out. In a few years, it's going to be very hard to come by. It's okay right now. It's not difficult today, but for the long run, 410A is becoming obsolete. So what do we learn? Our disconnects behind the unit. 3 sides should be sealed. Our condensing unit's overfused. We got the wrong kind of refrigerant piping insulation. We don't have our anti-theft Schrader valve caps.